Hello, hello, hello. How are you today? Hello, hello, hello. Hooray! Greetings, boys and girls. How are you today? Welcome to the Dazzleberry and Dumpling Show, where every day is a happy day. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Well, boys and girls, today is about sounds, sight words, and sentences. And on this episode, Tippy and Pippy, they did it again. They went on another word hunt. Oh, and they brought me some words. And they're sight words. Yep, they are. But anyway, sit tight and let's get into it. Sounds. Our first sound is an. And you know why I'm saying it's a sound? Because this can be a word part. A-N, and. Everybody say A-N, and. A-N, and. What do I mean by it can be a word part? Well, let me show you what I mean. Well, here we go. And band. 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 And band. Well, let's see. And. B, b, band. 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 You see how that and is a word part? A-N, and. A-N, and can. Fan. Dan. Okay, you get the picture, right? And as a sound is part of a word. Okay. And our next sound is all. All. A-L-L, all. A-L-L, ball. A-L-L, ball. Okay, well, let's see. A-L-L, all. So inside of a word, when you see this in a word, you already know. You just say the beginning sound, call. Well, that's not all. You can add more. Called. A-L-L, called. He called me on the phone 3 times. That Marco Muco did. Okay. Well, one more time. A-N, band, and. A-L-L, fall, all. You got it. You got it. You got it. All right. Now, let me just tell you about Tippy and Pippy and how they went on a word hunt. He's trying to hide, but I see him. Don't you see him? He's trying to hide. He bought me so many words from their word hunt. And now he says, I have to be the one to read them. Well, I'm okay with that, but I don't think he should hide. But we'll see him next time, right? That's right. Okay, Tippy. If you're going to hide, then I'll see you next time, okay? Okay, Tippy. Bye-bye. Tippy. Okay, well, anyway. are all these words that they found. Ooh, but there's a story behind this. So they went in the deep woods this time, and they climbed through the trees, they climbed through the grass. They were hiding from danger. They were running here and running there. And finally, they came to a clearing. And there, they spotted words, lots of words, millions of words. But they could only get a few because Eveline was lurking in the shadows, and she stopped them right in their tracks. And so you see, they left one card blank because they couldn't get to that last word they wanted to get to. So they brought what they could, and that's okay with me, right? All right, let's see. What did they bring? I. Everybody read that with me. I. C. Your turn. C. Good job. A. A. Me. Good. Me. Say it again. Me. Okay. Eat. Ooh. Eat. Like. Here. Mom. My. Dad. Two. And maybe we'll fill that in next time. Okay, let's do it again. All right? But this time, let's mix it up a bit. My. M-Y, my. Repeat. M-Y, my. Here. Echo. Here. H-E-R-E. Here. Your turn. A. Your turn. A. Like. Echo. L-I-K-E. Like. C. Your turn. C. S-E-E-C. Ooh. Mom. Mom. M-O-M. Mom. Echo. Good job. Eat. E-A-T. Eat. Eat. E-A-T. Eat. Good job. Two. T-O-2. Dad. D-A-D. Dad. Echo. D-A-D. Dad. Well, all right. You guys are doing a great job. All right. Well, now, can you use these words in a sentence? A sentence. Remember, a complete thought. Now, we're not going to use all of these words in one sentence, but can you use some of the words in a sentence? Go ahead. Give it a try. I'm going to show you my examples. And then you know what? Later on, think about these words. When you're practicing these words, make some sentences. And a complete thought is, well, if I said shopping here, that's not a complete thought. But if I said I like shopping here, you know just what I'm talking about, right? That's right. Yes, indeed. Yes, it is. Phone call. Well, boys and girls, I better get this. Let me get the phone. Hello? doing just fine. And I have a question. When are you coming for a visit? Yes? Well, Tippy and Pippi would love to see you, and I think they'll stop hiding if you come. Uh huh. Oh, boys and girls, Marco Muko says we all need to be patient. And that means we need to wait calmly until he gets here. He travels all around the universe. Okay, Marco, they get the idea. We're going to be patient. Yes, we are. Okay, bye-bye. Well, that Marco puts a smile on my face every single time. And now, boys and girls, I'm ready to show you. I wrote 2 sentences. 2. Ooh, can you read that with me? My mom is not here. I used all sight words. Can you believe it? We can write and read with sight words. One more time. Read it with me. My mom is not here. Did you notice that my sentence starts with a capital letter or uppercase letter, and it ends with a period? My mom is not here. Okay, let me show you my next sentence. And boys and girls, I'm so serious. I want you practicing these sight words and writing sentences. Ooh, how do you like this one? I like to eat pizza. Well, pizza is high frequency because we see it all the time and we like to eat pizza a lot. It may not be a sight word. It may be. But I tell you, it sure makes a good sentence. I like to eat pizza. I like to eat, eat apples and bananas. What happened to pizza? Oh, I know. It just made me feel like singing another song about eating. Well, I like to eat, eat apples and bananas. I like to oat, apples and bananas. I like to oat, apples and bananas. Oh, I think I skipped a few. Ooh, that will never do. Do you think you can sing it with me and help me out? Very good. I like it. I love it. Here we go. I like to eat apples and bananas. 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 I like to apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. Well, something went a little wacky, but that's okay. We'll get it right the next time around, right? That's right. And I wonder, how would it sound if we used all the short vowel sounds instead of short A and long E, long I, long O, long U? Well, let me see. Let me try one. I like to eat apples and bananas. That's the E. Well, you get the picture. Anyway, boys and girls, you are doing Fantastic. Learning these sight words and sentences and sounds. I like it. I love it. I do. I do. And now it's time to play. What's in the bag? Okay, I'll give you 3 clues. 1, 2, 3. And you must listen carefully. Focus. Put on your thinking cap. Get ready. Ooh, ears can hear. All right. Well, I am a 3D. I'm round. And I have 2 flat surfaces. Oh, 3D shape, round, 2 flat surfaces? Do you think you know? Do you? Well, 1, 2, 3. Guess it with me. Did you guess a cylinder? Yay! You guessed a cylinder. You are on top. See? Round, 3D. It's not flat. And it has 2 flat surfaces. 1, 2. And those are also called faces. They're circles. You see that? Let's see. You see that face? Oh, it's a face. It has no eyes, nose, or mouth, but it's called a face. Got it? All right. Let me put it back in the bag. Okay, boys and girls. We have had a wonderful time together. So, give yourselves a pat, pat, and a clap, clap, clap. That's right. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap your hands together. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap your hands together. Because it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, my friends. It's time to say goodbye until we meet again. It's time to say goodbye. Adios, amigos. Adios, my friends. Adios, amigos. Until we meet again. Bye-bye. Love you.